Hello, friends. Let me ask you something important. Imagine you have spent years building your audience. You have followers on LinkedIn, subscribers on YouTube, connection on social media. But tomorrow, if a platform changes its algorithm or your reaches decreases, can you still directly connect with your audience? This is where an email list becomes powerful. Many professionals create content every day, but they forget one important thing: building relationship with their audience. Because followers are numbers, but an email list represents people who have given you permission to connect with them. Over the last few years, while building my writing journey, my YouTube channels, and my knowledge sharing platforms, I realized content attracts people, but an email list helps you build a long term relationship. In today's video, I will share how to build an email list, a simple, beginner friendly roadmap for professional authors and creators. Hello, friends. I'm Dilip Patil. I have spent more than 34 years in the IT industry, working with technology projects, customer teams, and leadership responsibilities. But in the latter phase of my career, I started author journey. The journey of writing, creating content, and sharing knowledge. Today, I have written 40 plus books, created videos, written articles, and built multiple platforms to share my experiences. During this journey, I learned one important lesson: creating content is important, but building relationship is even more important. And an email list is one of the strongest way to build that relationship. So today, I will share the exact foundation every beginner should understand before building their email list. Before building an email list, we need to understand why it matters. Step 1. Understand why email lists matter. Today, social media platforms are powerful. They help us reach new people, but we do not completely control them. Algorithms decide who see your content, how much reach you get, how often people discover you. An email list is different. When someone subscribes to your email list, they are saying, I want to hear from you. That permission is valuable. A strong email list helps you build trust, share deeper knowledge, create stronger relationship, and communicate directly with people who value your work. Remember, social media helps you discover people. Email helps you nurture relationship. Now, the question is, how do you convince someone to join your email list? Step number 2. Create something valuable, that is lead magnet. People do not usually give their email address without a reason. You need to provide value first. This is called a lead magnet. A lead magnet is something useful that people receive in exchange for joining your email list. For example, a free book, a checklist, a template, a guide, a workbook, a challenge, a resource. In my journey, I created resources like weekly reset notes, discipline success kit, personal growth resources. The purpose was simple: give value first, build trust naturally. Remember, before asking people for their attention, give them a reason to trust you. Once you have something valuable, the next step is creating the system. Step 3. Create your sign up system. Building an email list requires a simple system. You need three basic things. First, a landing page, a simple page where people understand your offer. Second, a sign up form, a place where visitors enter their name and email. Third, an email delivery system, a tool that automatically sends your free resources. Do not make it complicated in the beginning. Start simple. Your goal is not technology, your goal is connection. My dear friends, I would like to ask you something. Do you currently have an email list, or are you planning to start one? Share your thoughts in the comments. I would love to know your journey. And if you enjoy practical lessons on personal branding, writing, and professional growth, please subscribe to this channel. Now, let us continue. Step 4, send value consistently. Many people make one mistake. They collect emails, but they do not communicate. An email list is not a database, it is a relationship. You need to consistently share value. Your emails can include personal experience, learning lessons, useful resources, book recommendation, career insight, behind the scene stories. For example, when I write my weekly value addition emails, my objective is not only sharing information. My objective is creating a meaningful connection with readers. Consistently builds familiarities. Familiarity builds trust. Now, let us discuss the biggest mistake beginners make. Step 5. Step 5. Do not sell too early. Many people start an email list with only one intention, selling. But relationships do not work that way. First, help people, educate people, inspire people, then introduce your product or services. People buy from those they trust. Your email list should feel like a helpful conversation, not a promotional message. Finally, let us look at the complete email list blueprint. Email list blueprint. Building an email list can be simple. Step 1, create valuable content. Step 2, offer a useful free resources. Step 3, collect email subscribers. Step 4, share consistent value. Step 5, build trust and relationship. This is not a quick growth trick. It is a long-term relationship building system. My dear friends, your knowledge has a value. Your experience have a value. Your lessons can help someone. But unless you build a connection, your message may not reach the right people. An email list gives you the opportunity to continue that relationship. One email, one lesson, one story can create a meaningful impact. So friends, build an audience is important, but building a relationship is more important. Do not focus only on followers. Focus on trust. Do not focus only on numbers. Focus on value, because your audience is not just a number. They are people who believe in your message. Start small. Stay consistent. Keep serving and build relationship that last. Thank you so much for watching. I am Dilip Patil. Keep learning, keep sharing, keep growing. See you in the next video. Thank you.